Hi traders, it's Roberto. This is the trade signals for tomorrow, which is Thursday, and probably following through Friday. The first one is Swiss yen. We have positive divergence. We have swing points going lower, price action going lower, and wave patterns on Mark D going higher. This is a 1 hour chart, and the way I qualify divergence is two things. Use a trend line break, which we do have currently, and also I'll switch to the next highest time frame, which is the 4 hour chart, and I need for the two lines on MACD to be crossing to the upside as well. That's my confirmation. Also, looking at candlestick patterns, we have a tweezer bottom and an inside bar on the Swiss yen. So that's a buy on this pair. The next one is Euro, Japanese yen. I just sent out the signal. Again, to qualify divergence, you need several things to line up. A trend line break, swing points going lower. Notice the swing points. This swing point and this swing point are going lower, but the wave patterns of MACD are, notice the wave patterns are actually going in the opposite direction of price action. And the next thing, the last thing I do is look at a higher time frame. So if I see divergence on a 1 hour chart, I need confirmation on the 4 hour chart. I switch over to the 4 hour chart and I notice that the two lines on MACD are crossing to the upside. So that's my confirmation. And we also have a bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour chart. So this trade, the stop loss is 129.40, which is the support level. And the target, the first target is 130.60 area. Actually, it's 130.60 area. And the second target is, if it breaks that level of support or resistance, it should go all the way up to 130.80. Okay, so that's how to qualify divergence. You look at whatever time frame you find divergence. So for example, if I see divergence on a 4 hour chart, like here, here's divergence. We have swing points going higher, right? But look at the wave patterns on this 4 hour chart are going lower, hence divergence. So what I'll do, and then I need a trend line break. Here's my trend line right there. Broke the trend line on the 4 hour chart. So in a downtrend, and I switch over to the daily chart, so I have to go to the next highest time frame to confirm my divergence. So there's the two lines on MACD crossing to this downside, which is confirming the divergence on the 4 hour chart. The only thing is, with this confirmation here, the market had moved quite a bit before it confirmed, like here. So I most likely would have taken this trade just based on divergence and a trend line break, and not wait till the two lines of MACD cross on a daily chart. Fortunately for this trade, this divergence set up on a 1 hour chart, it has already confirmed on the 4 hour. So this one worked out very nicely. This one, I probably would have just entered the trade based on a trend line break, because you do have divergence on a 4 hour chart. We have a trend line break. So either or both. Either have a confirmation on the next highest time frame, or simply wait for a trend line break to take the trade. And that's it for the analysis. If you have any questions, please email me. Tomorrow is Thursday, Friday, so we have 2 more days trading. Let's see if I can find some more trading signals for the rest of the week.